Welcome to Backproof. It's finally ready for production use. Get started. I already installed the app on my phone. You're actually viewing my S6 Android phone. It does work on iOS also. To start, we're going to start the program. And when you first start up, you'll be asked for registration information. This is local information only, goes to nobody, not me, not anybody else. So enter your full name, select the user ID. You have to remember these, you'll be using them for when you log in on the next time. You only see this screen the first time. I don't recommend use a single letter, but I'm going to for the purpose of this video. Once the app is registered, then you can log in. Next time you start the app, you will see the login screen. The only difference will be is here there will be a QR code which you can have somebody scan for text proof that you were vaccinated on what date and your name. And I'll show you that after we do the database. Okay, first of all, full name isn't there. You need to put your full name in there. When did you get your shot? Mine was on April 29th. If you did get a second shot, you would click here and do it. I got the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, so it's not required. Click here to select your vaccine. If your vaccine ain't listed, you can just select other. My actual vaccine lot number I do have on my card. I'm not going to put it here on the video. Just put some numbers in there. The healthcare provider, your clinical site, I get vaccinated at Oasis Pharmacy in Stafford, Texas, or maybe Sugar Land, Texas, I'm not sure. I did write down my provider's phone number. It wasn't on my card, but I did write it down in case somebody wanted to verify, call Oasis Pharmacy to verify that I was vaccinated there on that date. I'm not going to put their phone number in for the purpose of this video, though. Okay, once you verify that your information is accurate, just click Save Data and Continue. Now the software is looking for a picture of the front side of your card, and I will take an actual picture of my card. I don't know if it's a smart thing to do, but I'll do it anyway. Now, if I didn't like the picture, I could press that X. I'm going to accept it. If I didn't like it when I seen it to the screen, I could just take it again by take front side picture. I'm going to accept that picture. I'm going to flip my card over. I'm going to take a backside picture. Mine is blank because I got the Johnson & Johnson. Just to show you how this works, I didn't really like that picture. I'm going to take the front picture again. Get a little better picture. This time I'm going to accept it. Then I'm going to accept that picture. I click on that button. You see up here in the yellow, it says that I was vaccinated on 4/29 by Oasis Pharmacy using Johnson & Johnson. If you were to scan that barcode with a phone, that text is what you would see. From here, if I click this button, it'll show enlarged images of the card. We'll do that after I close down and restart. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to close the image. I'm going to close the app, Go back. Restart Backproof. Now I should be presented with just a login screen and a barcode, or a QR code. Okay, again, if I scan that QR barcode, I would see that I was vaccinated, the text that you've seen before. If somebody wasn't happy with seeing just that text, you would need to log in. Let's say they wanted to view your actual proof. Those cards are very small, hard to read, So you can show them cards by doing this. As you can see, you get a much bigger image. That would be the front. There's nothing on my back, but I'll show it anyway, as you can see. So backproof was made hopefully to be endorsed by the CDC or FEMA. I'll be contacting them. The app is ready for production. Future, depending on after I discuss it with FEMA, maybe if they scan the QR code, it'll go into the FEMA or what they call the VAMS database, which is basically for vaccines, and it should say that I was vaccinated by who, by when. But that's in the future. Okay, thanks.